Hi children, welcome back to computer class. So we have started our third chapter, that is MS Paint, and we have learned about different groups. That is, we have last class we have learned about tools group, colors group, shapes groups and brushes group. Today only we are going to learn about the tools group. So the tool group consists of 6 tools. There are 6 tools in the tool group, and each tools have different functions. So we are going to discuss the function of each tool in this class. First one is pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw any shape just like a real pencil. To use this you have to follow the steps. So first tool is the pencil tool. It is used to draw any shape. It works just like a pencil. It will comes like we are drawing in a book with a pencil. The same way it will looks like. And to select or to draw with a pencil tool, first you have to select the pencil tool from the tools group. This is the icon of a pencil tool, and first you have to select the pencil tool. Then click on the arrow below the size to select the thickness of the line. So we have to select the size, and then select the color from colors group, and then drag your mouse on the white area. So you can see the picture coming with the selected size and selected color. Next tool is the eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase a part or entire drawing. So if we want to erase a certain or a particular part, we can use the tool eraser, or if we want to delete the erase the entire drawing, we can also use the eraser tool. For that you have to select the eraser tool from the tools group. Then you have to select the size of the eraser. Click and drag the mouse pointer over the part of the image you want to erase. First you have to select the eraser tool, then you have to select the size, and then simply click and drag where you have to erase. So these are the first two tools. First one is pencil, second one is eraser. Third one is the color picker tool. This is the picture of a icon of the color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to copy color from one part of the picture to another part with the same color. That means color picker tool is used to copy a color from one part to another part with it have the same color. To use this tool, click on the color picker tool from the tools group. Then click on the part of the picture where you want to pick the color, and the picked up color will be reflected as color 1. So if we choose a color that we have to pick, and it will be reflected as color 1. After that, move the mouse pointer to the part of the picture where you want to apply this color. After that you have to move your mouse pointer, and then move your mouse pointer to the part where you have to apply the selected color. Then click it once to apply the same color. So first you have to select the color picker tool, then you have to click on where you want to pick the color, which color or which color you want to pick. Then move your mouse to where you have to give that color, and then simply click it. That is the color picker tool. Next is the fill with color tool. The fill with color tool is used to color the background or a shape. If we choose any shape and we have to give a color to that shape, we are using the fill with color, or we can also change the background by using the fill with color tool. For that, select the fill with color tool from the tools group. First you have to select the icon, then pick a color after clicking on the color 1. You have to select a color from the color 1. Click inside the shape you want to fill with color. After selecting the color, you have to click on the click inside the shape so that you can see the the shape will be having the selected color. Next is the text tool. Text tool is used to write on the drawing. If we have to write something on your drawing, you are using the text tool. It has various options for different styles of letters, colors and sizes. So the text can we can change the size or color or style of the text. To insert the text, we have to click on the text tool first, then click on the place in the drawing where the text needs to be placed. Then we have to click on that white area or the drawing area where you have to place your text. Then write the desired text. That is the steps to follow to use the text tool. Next one is the magnifier tool. To magnify or zoom in different parts of the picture we use the magnifier tool. That means we can zoom a particular part we can zoom by using the magnifier tool. For that, click on the magnifier tool, then move the mouse on the part of the image you want to magnify. Move the mouse on the part of the image where you have to magnify. So these are the different tools. These are the 6 tools that we are using in the tools group. Next is we have learned about Tux Paint, and now we have learned about MS Paint. So there are both of these applications are used to draw and color picture, and here are some difference between the Tux Paint and MS Paint. Let us have a look. Difference between Tux Paint and MS Paint. In Tux Paint, it has a mascot named Tux. There is a mascot named Tux. But in MS Paint, it has no mascot. Next is in the Tux Paint, it has no tool to fill colors in shapes. In Tux Paint, it doesn't have any tool to fill the colors in shapes. But in MS Paint, the fill with color tool can be used to fill colors in shapes. And the third one is in Tux Paint, it doesn't allow us to make custom color. But in MS Paint, it allows us to make custom color. We can make the different shade. We can select different shades of a color in MS Paint, but it is not allowed in Tux Paint. Next is Tux Paint has different backgrounds to choose from. Tux Paint provides us different backgrounds and we can choose anyone from them. But in MS Paint, it has only a white background. So these are the difference between Tux Paint and MS Paint. You have to study this. Next is creativity. What is creativity? It is the use of imagination to make something new. If you are asked to draw a picture of a scenery, all of you might be drawing different drawings. So to do that drawing, you need to be some creative. So you can see these are the different pictures in your textbook. It is there. Different students draw this picture when they are asked to draw a scenery. So each one have different creativity. Okay, creativity is not limited to drawings. There are several ways in which one can be creative. In your textbook it is shown there, and that's only for today's chapter 3. Let us have a look on how this tools group work in MS Paint. So now we are going to discuss how this different tools works. This is the tool group. You can see there are 6 tools here. Let us have a look on one by one. First one is pencil tool. To use the pencil tool, you have to just click on this icon, and then you have to select the size by clicking on this icon and choose the size. Then you have to select the color. After that, you just draw in your drawing area. You can see it will looks like a real pencil, and you can change the color by clicking on the other color. So you can see this. This is how your pencil tool work. Next one is eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase the part or erase the full drawing. For that, first select the eraser. Then you have to choose the size of your eraser, and then just drag over the area where you want to erase, or you can completely erase your drawings. Then next one is the color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to copy from one part of the picture and fill the other part with the same color. So here I have to choose the red color, and I am giving this red color to another part. For that, first you have to click on the color picker tool, then click where you have to copy that color. So I want this red color, then just simply click on this area. So you can see the change that color 1 is changed to red. After that, click anywhere so that you can see it appears as red color. So this is how color picker tool works. Next is fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to color the background or fill the shape. For that, first I am selecting a shape and just drawing the shape. It comes red because the color 1 is red. So next, click on this fill color tool and choose any color, then click on the shape. So you can see the shape is filled with the selected color. Next is the text tool. Text tool is used to write on the drawing. So you have to select the text tool and you have to click anywhere that you have to write. You can change the font style by clicking on this option, and you can select any font, and also you can change the size of the font. Then you can choose the different other options also. Then you just write there. So you can see the text appear here. And next one is the magnifier tool. This is the magnifier tool. You just click on the magnifier tool, and then magnifier tool is used to zoom in different parts of the picture. For that, first you have to click on the magnifier tool, then move the mouse on the part you want to magnify. Here just click there and you can see it is magnified. So that's all the different tools that we have learned today. Go through your textbook, complete the exercises, read your textbook, study well. Have a nice day.